Welcome back, Dylan with BimmerTech, and we've decided to screen some of the future videos here to figure out which one would be the best for you. So here's a quick guide on the screens and screen accessories offered by BimmerTech. Get it?
We sell screens and screen accessories.
You're probably always looking at the screen in your BMW. Navigation, videos, backup cameras, and so much more. Hopefully you're not watching that more than you are watching the road, but over time screens can become damaged, or maybe you're just tired of staring at the same small screen mile after mile, year after year. Well, thankfully, BimmerTech has an option for everyone to either restore or drastically improve your BMW. So let's take a look at some of the options that we offer. Now keep in mind, we are always expanding those options, so you could always check our website and enter your VIN to see if we're offering anything new. First up is an easy one, OEM Screen Replacement. Over time, screens can fail, or they can be damaged by being hit, the sun or the heat, water, etc. While it never hurts to go bigger and better if that option is available, sometimes if you just want to restore your BMW back to what it once was, well, BimmerTech can offer that. Plug and play and no coding required. Up next is our Panoramic Screen, which is for F30 series BMWs, including the F30, F31, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as well as the F80, F82, F84, F10, and the i3. This is a perfect upgrade, which is double the resolution of the smaller factory 6.5-inch screen, which makes it perfect for full screen Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, this screen will require a remote coding session, which is included in your order. To learn all about how a remote coding session works with BimmerTech, go check out the video linked in the description. Now, we do offer different versions of panoramic screens for different vehicles, including a touchscreen for the X5, 6, and 7 BMWs, so always head on over to our website and enter your VIN to see which options are available for you. Since bigger usually is better, if you want more in your BMW, we offer a 10.25-inch screen with adapter that's basically going to bring in a drive-in movie experience right into your BMW. This is the same screen that G30 owners have in their rides, and now you can have it in your older model BMW as well. And of course, it's touchscreen. You're going to want to make sure you head on over to our website and enter your VIN to ensure compatibility, or give one of our sales reps a call. And just like our panoramic screen, this will require a remote coding session to make sure it functions, so you're going to need to schedule that with our BimmerTech technician. We didn't forget about you guys with older BMWs either, so if you have an E60 or E61 with the smaller factory 6.5-inch screen, you can effectively double your resolution with this VividScreen offered by BimmerTech. It's going to offer you a sharper image, more plug-and-play options, and it simply looks great. Unlike the other screens, no coding is required, so this is a simple plug-and-play upgrade. While new screens are great, protecting your factory screen, and especially that new screen that you might have just invested in, can be even more important. Screen protectors are a must. We offer OEM protective glass in various sizes. They're easy enough to install in minutes, so why hesitate? And last but not least, while not an iDrive screen, it still is a screen, the 6WB digital cluster for the F33 series and F34 series. This is definitely something you want to consider for your BMW because it will make your dated interior seem like it's brand new. Not only is it loaded with different displayable options, but it comes with a custom layout and color palette for the different driving modes: Eco Pro mode, Comfort mode, Sport mode, and Sport Plus mode, which might be unlockable in your BMW with a BimmerTech remote coding session. Now, like the other screens, this will require a remote coding session to get it to work in your BMW, so you're going to need to set that up with one of our technicians.
While the installation on each vehicle may be a tad different, they generally just involve removing a piece of trim, a couple screws, and you're done. Some models might have a few more steps. Regardless, this is usually a pretty simple and straightforward process, and they can all be accomplished with our BimmerTech DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Tool Kit, which will have all of the tools you need and more. Just remember that for the upgrades that require remote coding, you will need to set aside a few extra minutes for that as well.
And there you have it. That's your quick overview guide on some of the screens and screen accessories offered by BimmerTech. We hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments below what overview video you would like to see us do next. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first around here? Head on over to our website and subscribe to our newsletter. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.